The sun rises every day. The wind never stops. Rivers flow without pause. For centuries, humanity burned fossil fuels when the answer was all around us. Now the world is finally listening and building an energy system worthy of the future. Welcome to the renewable energy industry. The renewable energy sector is one of the fastest growing industries on the planet and one of the most purposeful. It spans energy producers, technology innovators, infrastructure developers, and utility companies, all united by a shared mission: generating power without compromising the planet. Driven by government policy, surging investment, and an urgent global consensus on climate action, this industry is scaling at an extraordinary pace, creating opportunities that are as exciting professionally as they are meaningful for humanity. In the renewable energy industry, data analytics is the engine behind operational excellence. Sensor data from thousands of solar panels and wind turbines streams continuously. And analytics processes every signal in real time, monitoring output, detecting inefficiencies, and maximizing generation. Predictive maintenance models identify equipment fatigue before it leads to costly failures. Weather-integrated forecasting tools predict power output hours and days ahead, enabling smarter grid planning. And energy storage analytics ensure that every unit generated is distributed, stored, or balanced with precision. Artificial intelligence is supercharging every dimension of the renewable energy sector. Machine learning algorithms optimize the orientation and output of solar installations continuously, responding to shifting light conditions in real time. Smart grid systems dynamically balance supply and demand across vast distributed networks. Drones equipped with thermal imaging inspect wind turbine blades with speed and precision no ground team can replicate. And digital twins simulate entire renewable plants, enabling engineers to stress test scenarios and maximize performance before making a single operational change. Careers in renewable energy analytics sit at the intersection of technical excellence and genuine global impact. Renewable energy data analyst, solar performance engineer, wind energy analytics specialist, sustainability data consultant, smart grid analyst, clean energy project manager. These roles are defining the infrastructure of tomorrow's world. If you want a career that not only advances your professional journey, but actively contributes to a healthier planet, there is no better time and no better place to start. Power the future with analytics learners. Learn analytics. Launch your career.